February ni somni le pasari ania Lai Student Association General Headquarters le BJP Lai Autonomous District Headquarters Longtlai chuan District Council and Minority Affairs Minister chu ngai dam dil turin an phut hemi chungchanga hian thu chhuah siamin Lai Student Association General Headquarters Longtlai chuan puar lalzirliana Minister District Council and Minority Affairs Department chu Assembly House a thu sei chungchanga ngai dam dil turin an phut thu an tar langa hemi chungchanga voina thu chhuah an siama Assembly Budget Session nei meka February ni somni pathum khan District Council and Minority Affairs Department and Call to Minister puar lalzirliana chuan 125th Indian Constitutional Amendment 6th Schedule chungchanga Parliamentary Standing Committee in Mizoram Sarkar aron angin Mizoram Sarkar ngai dan chungchanga engkim hrevek le vote zonnan lem kanvader ve mai ani ati chu Autonomous District Council mi puite musit le thamlowa an ngai thu ta langin puar lalzirliana chuan Gawati a meeting a po atel ve anga ain sei chungchanga LSA te po meeting a antel ve thu le Minister hi atel ve o man thriat lo thu an thu chua ta langin Assembly House a dot a sei chu an dem thu te ADC mi puite za lo taka Assembly House a thu sei chungchanga ngai dam dil na emo thu pha choi na emo Assembly House a nei tura an phut thu Lai Student Association chuan an thu chua ta langin an du na te a hlotling lo ani chuan LSA chuan puar lalzirlian chu eng thila po Longtlai District leilung rapto lo turin an ngen BJP Lai Autonomous District Headquarters Longtlai Point voin ve khan thu chua siamin Assembly House DC NMA Minister le MNF MLA te che dan chu Autonomous District Council mi puite deu so na le mu sit na ninge ya an ngai thu an soya Minister puar lalzirlian chu Autonomous District Council mi puite rilru atina tak zet ti ria ngai dam dil tura an phut thu le MNF MLA zinga ADC chungchang deu so taka a soilaya do kan benga lo lom tu te po thu pha choi tura an phut thu an thu chua an tar lam